Lasfit LAplus Series H11 LED bulbs have a better beam pattern with intense and focus light output. 6000 K. 3000 lumen. 30 wattage cool white color light the darkness for your safety driving. We think highly of your safety driving and the effect to oncoming traffic. So, we upgraded the LED chips and LED structure to get optimal beam pattern with a clear cut-off. These LED bulbs are plug and play, replace OEM halogen bulbs directly. No modification. No cut. No splice. Easy installation. They are designed with a strong cooling fan and intelligent temperature control system to control the temperature and keep the bulbs from overheated. Built-in driver. Applicable to most of vehicles. H11 LED bulbs fit OEM H11, H9, H8 halogen bulbs. A lot of vehicles headlight low beam and fog light use H11 bulbs. Even all of low beam, high beam and fog light bulb size are H11 for some new vehicles.
Alright guys, we're working on this 2019 Chevy Silverado Custom. The low beams are these right here. High beams are on the bottom. The low beams are H11 size and the high beams are 9005. To remove it, just remove this cover. Just pops off. The bulb is right here. You can unplug it. Alright, so now we're going to put our LAplus H11. There you go. There you go.
Doing something you haven't heard before.
How to check if these LED bulbs fit your vehicle.